palit ta og maski unsa lang ay bread. English muffin, plain. They like bagels, everything bagel. Let's pumunta sa mga pan, guys. Let's just get this in. For the house, the bread. You wanna know how much? Well, that's my favorite bread. Helsha kit, Helsha. So dumi, y'all. Get those hot sauce, guys. The best hot sauce in town. Red hot chili. What's that? Chinese. That barbecue sauce is good. I wonder if this bulldog, guys. Guys, happy Monday, guys. Ug nag-ulan, tan-taran, wala na siya snow, guys. Pero look at this, raining, and it's so cloudy. Taran. Diba? Basta mag-ulan, magsapatos tag puti. Ay para mamaxing sa kalsada. Baglis bas kalsada, guys. Ice mang ulan, guys. Ice better than this now. See, dampog kayo dito dapita. Nag-aso-aso. Layuan ang parking, guys. So, if you are teka sa aray. Bus. It's raining guys. Di na snow, guys. Basa na akong shoes. It's raining. Kasi nabasa guys sa atong cellphone. Basa na. Laman dyan pa guys kay awa oh. Wala, hilis ng snow. See, no more snow here.